If I fall, it'll be on camera, and then it'll go viral probably. So today I am going to do organizing, decluttering type video. First, I think I have to start over here with the closet. Now, I should tell you where I'm at right now is I'm at my Airbnb. Basically, there's a basement downstairs, which is not the greatest basement in the world because whoever built this house made the ceiling just too short. So in a sense, I can't really utilize it like I'd like to. And there was a lot of space down there that just wasn't being used. So I decided to have a small room built with the door will be locked, and that's where I'm going to be able to spread out a little bit and keep some of the things that I need for the Airbnb instead of just this closet. A lot of bedspread type material, towels. These are my like twin, queen, king extra linens that I have, that I might actually rewash these because I don't know if they're wrinkled. I'm gonna have to take a look. Then down here I have things like this is paper, paper to put on the workspace desk that you provide for people who come to an Airbnb if they have work, and it's always nice for them to have some paper and pens, things like that. This was for a drawer. I don't know if we ran out or we need more. Some kitchen towels. This I thought would work, and it didn't really. I was trying to get some local stations. This was a pillow cover that goes on, like, obviously it's seasonal, so that can be stored somewhere. And some thread. I don't know, this looks like instructions. Oh, this is a charging cable. I have some picture frames here that I got, that I have a couple hanging around in there in the Airbnb that show, like, just some little instructions. So these are extra. I don't know if I'll need any. Obviously, a bunch of cleaners. This was probably, I don't know, to store stuff that was falling all over. Some food. This is for the vacuum cleaner. See, this is the kind of stuff like that I don't need up here, and I have space downstairs. When we're doing stuff, I don't need this up here. I don't need probably this vacuum cleaner filter up here either. And then, yikes, look at that. Some of it fell down. It did. I'm not kidding. It fell down. So here's trash bags, and the water bottles have kind of just, I don't know, fallen all over the place in there. That's soap for the bathroom and shampoo and things like that. I buy it in bulk. So you can see what is going on in here. And I do keep this is locked, so it's locked when guests come over. But that was how I was storing everything, so I need to clean that up. So let's go downstairs, and I'm going to show you what the room looks like downstairs, and we can go check it out. And then I could try to figure out what I'm going to put down there and leave up here, or vice versa. All right, here we go. Now I have to figure out what I'm going to bring downstairs or take upstairs and try to get this organized. I know there's some things in here that definitely are getting thrown out. All right, so there's nothing in here. This was some plates that I ordered, so I'm just gonna throw these out there and then they're gonna go back up. This just has, it's also empty. That can go out. We have this tarp that, I don't know, we must have used this for painting a little bit and things like that. I am going to keep that because that is nice to have if we have to do any quick little touch-ups and things like that. So actually, I am going to keep that. Folding this is as exciting as watching the paint dry, isn't it? Are you still here or did you tune out? I should probably speed that up. These things, this is old cable and another Amazon. That's all being thrown out. Right in here, I have decorations, holiday decorations are in here. I've got all kinds of little things, ornaments, things like that. We just packed that up, actually. So that's good. I probably want to get a little cover or put something over it. Here's the thing with the Airbnb, which is kind of a drag, is that you really have to look at all your linens and your towels and everything because after you wash them, because things like this happen where they get discolored, or I have some that are ripped. I have no idea how they get ripped. And so these basically are going to end up being rags. So, got rid of another one. There's nothing else in here. There's another one. And I think that's about it. All right. So, I'm going to show a little video of what this looks like now after I got everything fairly cleaned up in here. It looks a lot better. There's probably little tweaks here and there, and I still need to sweep the floor and some things like that. But on the whole, it looks pretty good. This is what happens when you start shoving things in the closet and you have no idea. So, I didn't know I had this, but I just found, I didn't know I had extra. These are for my pillows on the couch. So I have some extra ones of these. This is extra washcloth. And here's, okay, so hang on a second. I gotta take, all right. So these could actually go downstairs. I'm going to put these, I'm going to find because I really don't need those up here right now. This is just trash. Let's see. And then here is, so I'm going to keep some of these towels up here because I don't know how many towels are in here, but I'm going to keep the towels up here because towels, you can go through those pretty quick. Some other stuff in here that can go downstairs because it doesn't need to be up here. Some of the, whoops, oh. Okay, so I have, it's kind of ruined now anyway. I don't know why it was for a book. And I just thought no one would want to deal with this. I'll probably end up, my surfboard, cable modem, that can go downstairs. I don't know, do I even need this? Actually, I don't even need it. There's no instructions in there, so that could probably be thrown out. My little carrying bags for my cable equipment. If I take that downstairs, I don't know. Here's some laundry bags that I got. I do like these, so I'm a bit of a collector. I do like these though for storing linens and things like that. I mean, I think they actually sell these, so I do like to hang on to these. So I got these on Amazon. These are really nice. We're looking for extra laundry bags, so these can go downstairs. This is some of the stuff. This is going to be good to put on the shelf down there. Here's some more protector bags. Those can go downstairs. More zippered pillow protectors. More of those. Let's see. Oh. Now some of the stuff, I think, I don't know why. That's okay. Some of this is just more junk. Throw out. Some of these are the shams that I got with some of this bedding. These are all wrinkled. I just don't know if I'll be using these. So I probably put them downstairs, but I don't really need them up in this closet. Not at this point. So I have more kitchen towels here. I cannot believe how this all got pushed in the back. But you know, here's what happens when you're doing an Airbnb. You have to do a turnaround and somebody else is coming in, and that takes a lot of time. And so you're really not trying to organize closets or anything like that. And I actually had somebody stay here for most of the summer last year. So I didn't even really have access to the house for quite a long time, which was absolutely wonderful. But, you know, the stuff just kind of all got in there. So, yeah, these are, again, more shams, pillow shams, and the towels can stay up here. I'll just have to fold those. But the towels can stay up here. Right now, I just kind of want to see what I have in here that I don't really... If I don't need it immediately, then why have it up here when I have that space downstairs now? So, you know, I was trying to plan ahead a little bit. I've got the king duvet cover, which matches the other one, which I'm just not sure if I'm going to use. And I can't send it back because I've had it for a while. This is, I think this is a duvet cover for the queen bed. All right, so anyways, let's see. So yeah, I have the kitchen towels. I have kind of an open bag of linen, or more towels. I have more towels. Okay, so actually, I think what I'll do is I'm going to put the towels up on the top shelf here. So the towels are going up here right now. And then, I'm not sure about the kitchen towels yet, but down right here, I've got the pillow protectors, which I actually kind of forgot that I had these, and I ordered some. So I have the pillow protectors in here. I'm not sure what I'm doing with these towels yet. Here is, well, what size is it? Oh, so I have a new queen, brand new, never used. And I also have, whoops, let's see. This is probably, I bet this is a king. Yep. So I have king. I'm doing pretty good on the linens here with the pillow protectors. And so I have, all right, so now I have up here the towels, right here, brand new linens, pillow protectors, things like that. So that's actually pretty good. Well, thank you for watching this today. I hope it was not boring. Of course, you probably already tuned out if it was, so you're not even listening to this part right now. But I hope you enjoyed it. I think it came out pretty good considering. And I don't know, we'll see what happens. Hopefully I can keep it organized. So anyways, if you have any comments or anything like that, please leave them. And I would love to hear what people have to say. And I'll see you on the next video. I might have to eat the extra bags just so they can fit in. Just kidding.